Starlin School, that's the phone call for San Juan. As you leave train here at San Juan, please look out, look down. Spots on the platform that are uneven, use those handrails that are there for your safety.